Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to edit a lock layer in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, I will open anything with lock. I open this, already locked this, and see this. Not edit this, not edit this layer. Okay, then edit this. Press. Now see this. Click the lock. Select the lock layer and see this lock. Unlock this or not unlock, simply click the lock layer, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer, then edit this layer, edit this layer. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.